assignment.
Yeah.
Second half.
In the prep exam.
Yeah.
There's only like a few questions.
Yep.
Yeah, that one was easy. I'll start. Do you have it open, Elin? Oh. Okay. I'll go ahead and start.
Okay.
Part 1, or no, we're doing part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
Duh. So we had to open the gharial crocodile data. So what is the explanatory variable? It's the head length.
1 do 2 as well.
And then the response variable is body length. That's pretty simple. If you watch the videos, they basically give you all these answers in the videos.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. For this one, at least. 3, you're supposed to create a scatter plot using the relationship between head length and body length and paste that below. So then use the software to compute the value of the y-intercept in the regression line. The y-intercept is negative 69.369.
Yep.
Yes. And the slope of the regression line is 7.400.
Yep, that's what I've got as well.
Okay.
So then what is the equation? It's y equals negative 69.369 plus 7.4 times x.
Beautiful.
All right.
Okay, then 8. So for the observed head length of 51 centimeters, what's the observed body length? So if you look on the graph, it should have been 343 centimeters.
And you check it using the data file.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so use the regression line you obtained in number 2 above to predict the body length based on a head length of 51 centimeters. So we do negative 69.369 plus 7.4 times the x, which is 51, and it equals 308.031 centimeters.
Yep.
Okay.
So why are the values you obtained in 8 and 9 different? Because the values in 9 are based on the formula versus the values in 8 are based on the observation. I don't know if that's what the is that what the
that's basically
kind of what
right.
the answer says.
Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah.
Princess, what's wrong?
I think we might need to switch computers because I think she's getting hungry.
Oh.
Or I guess I could just turn this
turn
off.
the video off.
We're gonna turn the video off for a little bit. Feeding a baby.
Here.
Okay, and I'm gonna go get my baby.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'll turn our videos off.
There'll be a video-free broadcast. Ugh.
You still need it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry about that.
No problem.
You didn't hit video.
No, I unmuted the microphone.
We want
That's
to
all.
start the group meeting.
Sweetheart, there's really nothing for you to look at.
The baby's so distracted by everything.
Yeah, she got my ADD.
Oh, I know. Mine is too. Yeah, mine is too. Feedings have been quite difficult because he just like moves at every sound.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have the group meeting open?
I do.
I can answer questions 1 and 2. True and true.
Yeah.
You're so smart.
I'm glad.
Okay.
Okay, so number 3 says, given the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? And that would be 2.0.
And then the
Yeah.
slope is 1.5.
Yeah. And this one, number 5, is that -3?
Yes.
Negative. Yeah. -3.
I think we have to section out our node again. I think that's what it should have to be.
Uh-oh.
All right, I got 7.
What'd you get?
Oh no, wrong. Just kidding.
So it should be -3 plus 0.25 times 16, right?
16. Yeah, I got
0.25 times 16 is 4. So -3 plus +4
Is 1.
is 1.
1. Yeah. I forgot
So-
the negative.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah. So make sure you put 0.0 because it says round to 1 decimal.
Oh, yeah.
1.0.
1.0.
Okay. Good call. Okay. This math one.
Yeah, the
Math
self-efficacy.
Didn't we use that for the last?
Yeah, we did.
I think
So-
so.
So I should have it downloaded.
Yeah, I have the scatter plot up. To me, it looks like a hot dog. It's all pretty much around the
Around the line.
around the line. Yeah.
Okay.
Graphs. Scatter plot. Score is the x-axis. Is that right? And confidence
Yeah.
the y.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks hot dog-ish.
Yeah.
I think that's really weird that we actually are defining things by hot dogs and hamburgers.
It's
I know,
right along
right?
that's speaking my language.
Something we can understand.
Yeah.
It just reminds me of like being like in elementary school and holding things hamburger style or hot dog style.
Right. Okay.
So that would make number 7. Do you have your graph up?
Yeah, I do.
To me, it looks like it's simple linear regression would be appropriate for these data.
I'm thinking too. There was also a thing in the book that, yeah, hot dog shape is a linear pattern.
Yeah.
So,
So this is one I didn't know the answer to. Do you know number 8, Elin? Because I'm not sure what the observations are.
so I'm thinking it's the X. So
139.
Yeah. Is that how many? Yeah, 139.
You guys
A group. Yeah, it says a group of n equals 139 students on like if you open it in SPSS, it gives you all that information.
So it's 139. Okay. That makes sense. So it's the data that you have for that, correct?
Yeah.
So then what is the y-intercept?
Okay.
The y-intercept, I've got 1.296.
Yep.
That's what I have. Okay, so I had a problem with this in the prep thing and the just like the reading, because like here it tells you use the confidence data for the explanatory variable, which would be the x, and then the score data as the response variable, which would be the y. So I have it plugged in backwards right now.
Oh, I think I do too. The confidence data is the explanatory, so that should be the x. Yeah, so then I've got it backwards, which is going to.
So that would change things, right?
Right. That's going to change the answers.
Oh, okay.
So.
How do you swap it?
Highlight everything and. So the confidence rating is the independent. And the score is the dependent.
So how do you swap them?
Highlight just one column. Highlight the your B column.
Okay.
All the variables in that. And then right click on it. It doesn't matter if you have extra cells. Right click, cut. Go to the very first cell and put, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Click on it, right click, and put insert cut cells. Nope, up, down, there.
Oh, and it just switched it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, and that did definitely
yeah,
change
so I've got.
So the y-intercept.
I have 18.690. Now, is that what you have, Elin?
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad you caught that. Thank
Me
you.
too. That would have totally
screwed a lot of things up.
18.
Yeah, it caught me off guard like twice today, so I was looking for it, I guess.
So then the slope would be 12.695.
Mm-hmm.
So then what is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
That's going to be.
So 18.690 plus 12.695.
With 695 times 4.
Yeah. 69.47.
Hold up. Give me a second.
That's what I have.
Is that what you got, Elin?
Yeah.
$69.47. The confidence data resulted from the students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? So hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predictive value of y. So I believe what that means is we can just substitute 6 for the x. So 94.86 is what I'm getting. Which would make sense. They're 94.86% confident in their answers.
Okay, so you use 6 as the x in that equation.
Right, because it says, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y. And since it's a scale of 1 to 6, x, the largest value is 6.
Okay.
Is how I'm reading that.
Okay. So 13, how many explanatory or independent variables are present in simple linear regression? So just one, right?
That's what I think.
Okay. And then one dependent.
Right.
Okay. All right.
100%.
All right.
And we would have gotten a lot less than that if Elin hadn't caught that.
Yeah. Yeah, I would have totally messed that up.
Yep.
Good job, Elin.
Thanks. This stuff is it's either getting easier because I've been doing it for 12 weeks, or it's getting easier because it's not that hard to grasp.
I think you're
it's both.
I think you're learning what you need to. So do we have anything that we need to talk about for the group project?
Maybe because this is happening to Candace, maybe we should take it off her hands. Like, and us three split it up. What do you think, Elin?
Other than we
this
already
week's, what is it?
To describe the data. My only concern is we've already turned it into the professor saying.
We can just write the professor and say, hey, Candace she had some issues, so we stepped in and did it together. Which it's not going to be that hard. We just look at the graphs and then explain. Yeah.
I've already got the graphs done for that.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Why don't we just write it up?
Well,
and then we'll send it to you.
Unless Candace has already gotten it done.
I doubt she has with having a hard week.
Why don't we text her for sure? And if she hasn't,
then I'm just trying to make it easier on her. I'm not trying to take it away.
No, I know, but if she's already got it done, why don't we text her and say we're willing to take this over for you if that would help. If you've already got it done, just let us know. Yeah. And if not, we'll just take it. And send it to everyone.
All right, I'll text her.
Yeah, I can ask her.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Since you're gonna talk to her, Elin, why don't you just ask her?
Okay, I can do that. And then I almost feel like we should just do it and just like tell her, hey, we did it.
We can totally do that. I just don't want her to feel like if she's already got it done that we're trying to.
I agree with you. I agree with you, Elin. And then if she does do it, we'll just add to it.
Yeah.
Because Cammie already has the graphs done, so now all we have to do is explain the graphs. So why don't we'll just do it and don't even talk to her about it. I say we just do it, and then tomorrow we'll send it to you tonight. You can look over it, and if you want to add anything, then you can add more or take away or whatever you think, and then
we'll send it to Candace.
We'll send it to Candace, and then we'll just turn it in.
Okay, if y'all are cool with that, I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if Candace wants to take one of ours away later, she can, but she doesn't have to. If she wants to, you know.